My name is Siggi Hilmarsson. I'm the founder of Siggi's Yogurt, and we make Icelandic style or Scandinavian style dairy products. I moved here originally to go to grad school, and I really missed skyr, which is the strained, thick yogurt of Iceland, and I sort of taught myself how to make it.
Hey Siggi.
Hey, how's it going?
Welcome to Food52.
Thanks for having me. I'm very excited about baking with you. Hopefully I'll pick up a trick or two.
Yeah, we're gonna make some yogurt biscuits. Do you want to mix in baking soda and salt?
Absolutely.
Just whisk that a little bit. Great job. So you're already a pro. Now milk. So half a cup of yogurt. And we're using plain. Scoop it in there.
Okay, excellent. I feel like I have a PhD already. A healthy lifestyle to me is trying to eat real food and definitely try to limit your sugar intake. And then on the sort of second bucket is exercise, which I think is pretty important. If you can have a lifestyle where you sort of do exercise by default, i.e. take the stairs, walk to work if possible.
Now we're gonna use our fingers to mix it together.
What's the theory behind using your hands versus a whisk?
I like to use my hands so that I can feel when it's at the right place. And if you use a machine, you might overmix it without realizing. No one likes a tough biscuit.
You want that tender biscuit.
Yeah. Do you want to cut them?
Ooh.
So just flour it a little bit and then cut them out.
This?
Yeah, beautiful. Some flaky salt.
When I moved here, I noticed that there was a lot of sugar and things that I didn't normally associate with sugar, like, condiments, packaged soups, bread, and obviously yogurt, which was sort of what I would consider normal foods as opposed to dessert or candy, and that sort of was one of the things that prompted the business.
And try some of our biscuits?
Yeah, we have to, right?
Yeah. Wow, they're really fluffy.
Oh wow, looks good.
Smell very good. I'm gonna put some eggs on my biscuit. Eggs and yogurt. Really good. Well, thank you so much for coming by and sharing your delicious yogurt with us.
Well, thanks for having me.